Welcome to Venus Transmissions. I'm Jamie, also known as Sat Avatar. I'm going to talk about Sat Kriya today, and I did Sat Kriya, which is a well-known meditation in Kundalini Yoga meditation. I did it for years every day, except for when I was on my cycle, because you're not supposed to do it when you're on your cycle. Sat Kriya is said to be one of the most powerful Kriyas in Kundalini Yoga, and Kriya it's basically a posture, an exercise, a collection of a series of movements, mudras that you do to, actually do yoga. And there's many different Kriyas in Kundalini Yoga. Sat Kriya, I did for 31 minutes a day for I don't even know how long, years to be honest. And obviously, there were some days I didn't do it because you're not supposed to do it when you're on your cycle. But I wanted to share this with you because it was so powerful for me. And it was so helpful dealing with CPTSD and abuse recovery. And as challenging as life has still been, at times, this yoga really has helped me in amazing ways. And you don't have to do it for 31 minutes a day, by the way. That was just me. That's the level that I needed to go. 3 minutes is great, 22 minutes. It really works on strengthening the nervous system. My experience doing this for 31 minutes a day, I would wake up in the morning and I would be a mess. I would be upset, crying, overwhelmed, just couldn't focus, couldn't function, couldn't do anything. And then I would do this meditation and what a relief. Able to be in a space where I could process things, where I could breathe. I think it's important to, not use our practice as a way to run away from ourselves, but realize it's a space that we can welcome ourselves and get more powerful and stronger to be able to love ourselves, which ultimately loving yourself is that's healing. We often, the ego makes us think that healing is getting rid of something, but it's really embracing it. Sat Kriya on a physiological level, when you're doing any meditation past 20 minutes, you start to balance the endocrine system. You start to balance the hormonal system. You're using your navel point in Sat Kriya, and that is opening up that power center and balancing the emotions, balancing your emotional center, helping the digestion. You're holding a posture, you're bringing the energy up the spine, you're balancing the energy of the chakras. Sat Kriya, it really is one of the best meditations, I feel like, that really gets you grounded, gets you in your body, gets your nervous system, your hormonal system balanced, gets your mind clear, gets that nice mantra. You're training the mind, you're putting it on a wave of peace. Now, if you want to try this Kriya, I do have it up on Aquarian Yogi in, I think, 11 and 22 minute videos. AquarianYogi.net is my online yoga studio where I have a lot more videos and you can pay to access them per month when you want to enjoy those videos. I have to say that my Kundalini practice has been one of the biggest gifts of my life. And while I inherently know that even without it, I am amazing and could probably find tools to support me, I haven't found anything quite like Kundalini Yoga that gets me to be me. And that me is the powerful person. And I am a gift, and life is a gift, no matter what it looks like, that can bring me to a peaceful state where I can accept everything. And it's helped me with fibromyalgia, it's helped me with CPTSD. Really, doing it was really about the emotional effects, helping me through depression, helping me through trauma. Amazing, amazing. So glad. It's powerful. I have seen people have really powerful experiences with it, and they don't need to do it 31 minutes a day. I'm going to be honest, I had a lot of trauma. I was really messed up. I was not well, and that's what I needed. I might be, it's 31 minutes, but like I bring my arms down. I have to get into baby pose for 15 or 20 seconds, and then I get back into the experience, because guess what? That's what life is like. I hear so many people in their practices being like, well, I can't hold my arms up that long, or I can't do this, or I can't do that. But that's life. That's how life is. We're not steady or strong all the time. We need to rest. We need to take breaks. We need to accept whatever is coming in and we're experiencing in that moment. That is the beauty of life and healing. That's true healing. Healing is not rejecting and throwing away parts of yourself. Healing is bringing in and loving yourself. So what if you're struggling? So what if you can't do it for the full time that day? You showed up. And that's the most important part. I'm really glad that there's people out there that can do it for 3 minutes and get the same effect I did with 31. Anyway, so this is called the most powerful Kriya in Kundalini Yoga, and I have to say that it is very powerful. It was one thing that I did out of all the sets and Kriyas and meditations that I've done that gave me the most powerful, grounding peace. VenusTransmissions.com for my 7-day nervous system reset. It's 7 days of morning and afternoon practice, a breathwork bonus, a book, some recipes for yogic healing and detoxing. And yeah, I would love to hear from you if you've done a 40-day meditation, if you've ever tried that in Kundalini Yoga. I've done it several times. It's wonderful. It's challenging, but it's also very, very special. Satnam.